Hello guys, welcome back to another video of understanding football position. Today we'll be using the 4-2-3-1 formation. First, we'll start with the number 1 player here. This player is represented with letters GK, which stands for goalkeeper. And the primary function of this player is to guide the goal post. Next is the number 2 player here. This player is represented with letters RB, which stands for right back. And the primary function of this player is to defend the right side of the defensive half. Next is the number 3 player here. This player is represented with letters LB, which stands for left back. And the primary function of this player is to defend the left side of the defensive half. Next is the number 4 player here. This player is represented with letters CB, which stands for center back. And the primary function of this player is to guide or shield the goalkeeper. Next is the number 5 player here. This player is represented with letters CB, which stands for center back. And the primary function of this player is to guide or shield the goalkeeper. Next is the number 6 player here. This player is represented with letters DMF, which stands for defensive midfielder. This player's primary function is to protect or guide the 2 center halves and distribute the ball around the side of the midfield. Next is the number 7 player in this formation. This player is represented with letters RMF, which stands for right midfielder. And the primary function of this player is to move the ball around the side of the midfield, the right side of the midfield, or attack through the right side. Next is the number 8 player here. This player is represented with letters DMF, which stands for defensive midfielder. And the primary function of this player is to protect or guide the 2 center halves and distribute the ball around the side of the midfield. Then next is the number 9 player here. This player is represented with letters CF, which stands for center forward. And the primary function of this player is to attack through the center here and score goals. Next in this formation is the number 10 player here. This player is represented with letters ATM, which stands for attacking midfielder. The responsibility of this player is to create chances on goal, to provide assists. The next player is the number 11 player here. This player is represented with letters LMF, which stands for left midfielder. And the primary function or responsibility of this player is to move the ball around this left side of the midfield or attack through the left flank here. So that is it for this, guys. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to help the channel grow. Thank you.